Right now we are in Republic Square, and you can see behind me there is a huge tree and there are some small trees. बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लग रहा है यहाँ पे, बहुत लोग एंजॉय कर रहे हैं और क्रिसमस की तैयारियाँ भी से स्टार्ट हो गई हैं. All the streets are decorated, you can see, and everywhere like people are coming and taking the pictures. I'll show you more in the video. Now it's 2 degrees centigrade, it's very cold, and you can see already Christmas and New Year's preparation is already done. So but it's very cold, you can see the people are wearing warm clothes, and it's after some time it will be minus, now what time is it, it's 6, so after 2-3 hours it will be -2, -3, but I will show you in the public square. It's very beautiful. You can see behind me this tree, you can see it's very beautiful.